Welcome back to Cooking with the Darlings. Today we are making a classic, cozy cottage pie. If you are new to watching our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's totally free. It means a lot to us and it helps us keep making more content like this. So now, let's start cooking. We're starting with 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a hot pan. Add in your diced onion and let those saute until they are soft and translucent. Next, add in 1 kilo of minced beef. Break it apart and let it brown thoroughly, soaking up all those flavors from the onion and oil. Add a pinch of black pepper. Once the beef is browned and broken down, stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Then follow up with 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. The vinegar is a total game changer. Next, pour in 400 milliliters of stock. While the meat is cooking, let's get our vegetables started. We are boiling the potatoes in one pan and the carrots in another until they are both perfectly tender and ready for the next step. Now that the carrots are perfectly tender, let's fold them into the beef along with those vibrant frozen peas. To bring it all together into a rich velvet gravy, gently pour in the cornstarch mixture. This is where those juices turn into a delicious savory sauce that coats every bit of the meat. As the beef simmers, watch it absorb all those deep flavors, allowing the sauce to thicken into a rich, delicious gravy. Now that the base is perfect, let's move on to the potatoes and get started with that creamy mash. To take this mash to the next level, I'm adding a splash of milk and a handful of cheddar cheese. It makes it incredibly creamy, extra savory, and full of flavor. Now it's time to layer the pie. Pour the savory beef into an oven-proof dish and top it with that buttery mash. Spread the mashed potatoes evenly to create a smooth layer. Then use a fork to score the top. These ridges are the secret to getting that extra crispy crunch and a perfect golden brown finish when baking. Finish it off with plenty of cheddar cheese to create a delicious melted crust. And there you have it, a delicious and golden cottage pie, served up and ready to enjoy. It's the ultimate comfort food for any night of the week. If you loved this easy family recipe, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more home-cooked inspiration. Let us know in the comments how your pie turned out. Thanks for watching Cooking with the Darlings, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye for now!